Okay, Charlie, fine. You say we're in a different dimension? I'll buy that. I'll buy it.
Well, out of the two of us, I have the most knowledge of science fiction, as I've watched almost the entire series of Doctor Who.
No argument for me. I was just wondering if you could do me one small favor.
Just you name it, Glenn, my best friend.
Take off the tinfoil suit.
The N-word.
I want to know more about life. Like, how are rocks made?
Thank you for saving me from that pack of wild teenagers. I have to do something to repay you.
Okay.
Enchant!
Oh.
No.
Where the hell are we?
We can't keep going from world to world and screwing everything up, Charlie.
Maybe we could look at this as an opportunity to learn about ourselves.
Maybe I don't want to learn about myself, Charlie.
This is your fault, Charlie. This is all your fault.
Charlie und Greg.
Oh, God. It's Robert Hitler.
Are you guys still coming to my art show later?
We're on a science fiction adventure. We don't know what kind of reality this is.
A terrible world where sharks can go on land. A horrific world with a continuous lightning storm. A wonderful world with a continuous lightning storm that kills all those sharks that can go on land.
There's infinite possibilities.
Infinite possibilities.